Today, let's take a fun-filled journey into 7 prepositions of direction in English, so you'll always know which way to go. By the end, you'll be confident in using words like onto, into, out of, and many more. Let's get started. First up is to. We use to when we're going somewhere specific. For example, I'm walking to the shops, or he is going to the park. Next, let's look at into. Use into when moving from outside to inside. For example, she walked into the room, or better yet, I walked into the chocolate shop. Now out of. This shows movement from inside to outside. For example, he ran out of the bank. Then we have onto. Use onto when moving to a surface. For example, the cat jumped onto the table. And off. This shows movement away from a surface. She stepped off the bus. He stepped off the train. Towards is used when moving in the direction of something. He walked towards the bus stop, or the bird flew towards the tree. Through is our last preposition for today. It describes movement from one side to another within something. The train went through the tunnel. If you've enjoyed this video and want more fun and easy lessons, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, the journey to mastering English starts with a single step, maybe one right into our next video. I would love it if you joined us in the comments below. See you next time.